And a one and done for the kids tonight. Fargo, make some noise for the kids. Five, four, three, two, one, let's go racing! Regan Olson takes the lead out of turn 2, down the back straightaway for the first time this evening. Contact in turn 3, and Stella will look for the lead, and she will lead lap 1. Charles to the inside, using the bumper, and Stella holds on here on lap 2. Stella goes wide, and Charles takes the lead here on lap 3. Olson second, Stella third. Here comes Regan Olson to the inside, off of turn 2, heading down the back straightaway into 3 and 4. Olson looks to the inside, and she's got the lead. 4 laps in the books. Olson leads. Contact from Charles, and Olson will drive away out of 2. In front of the grandstand goes Regan Olson, your leader. Halfway home. Olson leads. Charles second. Olson out of 3 and 4 with 5 to go. Contact with your leader. Olson will let the lap car go through 1 and 2. Regan Olson continues to show the way with just a couple laps left. One lap to go for Regan Olson in the 51. Into turns 1 and 2. Now in front of you, Fargo, North Dakota, this is Regan Olson. Into turns 3 and 4. And Regan Olson sees the checkered flag here in Fargo. Schwartz, 1 lap down. Here is second place. This is Charles out of 3 and 4. Charles will go home second. And Schwartz third. She may not have made it around the whole distance, but make some noise for Stella in that 10X, Fargo.